Eto naman mga ka-RSP, ang bisita natin ngayon ay marami ng pinakilig dahil sa kanilang charming looks and voice. Kaya naman kasama po natin live dito sa studio ang twin actor and singer na si Jessie Perkins at Christian Perkins. Good morning and welcome dito sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Good morning. Hello, everybody.
Good morning, good morning.
Ayan, pero nagtatagalog po yung mga yan.
Tagalog na lang tayo. Hello,
pero
everybody.
We heard you have an advocacy movie which is entitled Kaibigan. So can you share us more details about this?
Sure, yeah. So before the pandemic came, my brother and I were part of a movie called Kaibigan, and it's an inspirational film parang, about no vices, no wrong choices like that. So we've been showing that film again. So this year, hopefully, we're going to be going around to different schools and different like cities and stuff to show the film. So it's a very fun movie called Kaibigan. We're not brothers in the movie, so it's a good one.
Does it manifest the real lives of the Perkin twins? Yung itong mismong pelikulang ito?
Not the story itself, pero like my brother said kanina, the message of the story, sana it manifests, the message we're trying to send in real life, which is, staying away from trouble and doing the right thing. And yeah, you can see there a lot of big stars in the movie too. So it's a pretty fun movie, and a lot of cool things happen there.
Yeah, we also have been seeing some of the teasers of this, but we want to know also what have been some of the most memorable moments from your tours and shows and how this influenced your growth as performers.
Yeah, I think the most fun that my brother and I have is when we're out there performing in front of people and meeting new people. So it's been great. We get to go around a lot of places here in the Philippines. So, as they say, it's more fun in the Philippines. We love it here. That's why we came back from the States. So, it's we're having a great time. And wherever you guys are out there, we're going to see you soon. We're going on tour again. So it's going to be fun. See you guys there.
Yes, and also working with a lot of amazing actors and actresses in the movie. It was just a great blessing and experience, and just all of our experiences are fun. So here,
looking forward to your tours, but of course we also know that your fan base is quite diverse and spread across different parts of the Philippines. So how do you engage their fans and maintain that connection?
Yeah, well, there's always social media. We like to connect with them there. We post stuff there. But also, like I said, my brother and I are very kind of on grassroots, so we like to really go out there and meet people. So, it's like a big family. We like to treat our fans like that too.
Ayun. And of course, on that note, thank you very much for joining with us this morning, Jessie and Christian Perkins. Pero syempre excited na rin kami marinig ang inyong nakakilig na performance. Pero bago na.
I want to let everyone know we also have a mall show, Iba Town Center on May 4th. So see you guys there.
Check us out, Perkins Twins.
Ikaw na.
Ikaw na ang siyang tugon kapag mayroong problema. Ikaw na at para sa akin ay naiiwan ka. Ikaw na, ikaw pa, ikaw lang at walang iba. Ang katulad mo kundi yan. Ako ay hanga sa'yo sa lahat ng mga nakilala ko. Iba ka sa husay na tagay mo. Ikaw ang tugon sa pangarap ko. Sana nga ito'y magkatotoo. Ang lagi kong dasal, ikaw ay narito. Bawat sandali kapiling ko. Ikaw na ang nais ko na laging makasama. Ikaw na sa puso ang magbibigay ng siya. Ikaw na ang siyang sagot sa lungkot pag ako ay nag-iisa. Walang iba. Ikaw na ang siyang tugon kapag mayroong problema. Ikaw na at para sa akin ay naiiba ka. Ikaw na, ikaw pa, ikaw lang at wala nang iba. Ikaw ang tugon sa pangarap ko. Sana nga ito'y magkatotoo. Ang lagi kong dasal, ikaw ay narito. Bawat sandali kapiling ko. Ikaw na ang nais ko na laging magkasama. ikaw na sa puso ang magbibigay ng saya. Ikaw na ang siyang sugot sa lungkot pag ako ay nag-iisa. Walang iba, ikaw na ang siyang tugon kapag mayroong problema. Ikaw na at para sa akin ay naiiba ka. Ikaw na, ikaw pa, ikaw lang at wala nang iba. Ikaw na ang nais ko na laging makasama. Ikaw na sa puso ang magbibigay ng saya. Ikaw na ang siyang sagot sa lungkot pag ako ay nag-iisa. Walang iba, ikaw na ang siyang sagot kapag mayroong problema. Ikaw na at para sa akin ay naiiba ka. Ikaw na, ikaw pa, ikaw lang at wala nang iba. Walang iba, ikaw na, ikaw pa, ikaw lang at wala nang iba.